Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete the row on your table in your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to delete the row in the table in your WPS presentation mode. We're just going to show. So first of all, I just going to insert a slide show. Okay. So now click on this option. First, we just need a table, right? So I just inserted more rows and more columns like this. So, but I just need only one row here. So I have total of 5 rows. I just need only one row. So first of all, click on the cell, click on the any cell of the row that you just need to delete. Click on this icon option and you can find an option called delete row. Yeah, just click this, which will delete the row. For an example, I just need to delete this particular row, so which having text. So I just going to select the cell first, any cell. You can also select the first cell or second cell. Click on this icon and click on the delete row option, which will delete the row. Now you can see we have only one row. This is how we just delete and create create your table by deleting the row on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off for Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.